Chopping up some calf liver in order to dehydrate it. After it's dehydrated for, I do like 12, 14 hours, then grind it up into a powder that you can add into anything. And that way you really don't taste the liver. We're not big fans of it. So I got 2 trays of the liver. Pro tip, it's easier to cut up when it's slightly frozen. So this was 1 pack, 4 slices of calf liver. So chopped it up in 2 trays, and I'm going to put the lid on and set it for 155 and just let it go for 12, 14 hours until I usually just check it to where it's you can break in half and there's no give. It just completely breaks in half. All right, thank you. I went ahead and let it run for 22 hours. I just let it run. Sometimes it takes longer. It depends on how big you cut your pieces of meat. So let's open it up. See, it definitely shrunk quite a bit. It's still warm, so you gotta let it cool off a little bit. And but as you can see, it's definitely it's not flexible. The pieces are breaking easily. Yeah, you can just break it in half. It's nice and dry. You don't want it to be rubbery. You want it to actually break. All right, let it cool down for a couple hours and then we'll grind it up. I let the liver dry for about 8 hours. Getting ready to grind it up. I'm putting it in the NutriBullet cup and we'll grind it there. We'll grind it there. Here we go. That should be it. It's nice powder. So I just add that to the others and just add a spoonful or something to meat or whatever when we eat it. That way you get some liver without even knowing you're getting liver. All right. Thanks. Thanks for watching.